How to delete property in booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete property in booking.com. In order to delete property in booking.com, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then go ahead and launch your booking.com application. Once you open up your booking.com, this is going to take you to the home page, and once you're on this page, you'll be able to see multiple tools right at the bottom. So once you're on this page, click on the profile icon located right at the bottom, and over here scroll down right to the bottom. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see partners, and under it there is an option as list your property. Here you'll be able to see the list of property that you've listed out, so click on list your property and this is going to take you to the web page. Over here, if you have added multiple accounts, then you'll be able to see and multiple properties that you have actually registered on booking.com. All you need to do is just tap on the registered property and the property that you wish to delete. As soon as you click on the delete button, it's going to take you to the confirmation page, and it's going to state about all of these statements, and that is basically how you can delete property in booking.com. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.